Hello, this is John Cavalli. Thanks again for watching our video. This is the April 2013 short review by request. We're trying to keep this shorter and concise, but for those of you that are watching, we hope you enjoy. I wanted to just review the actual blog post that this video will be in. I'm not going to cut to the screenshots, but I'll just talk to you briefly. First of all, interest rates. Interest rates are on our radar. As interest rates drop, generally it means two things, either a flight to safety and possibly away from risk assets, and also it could mean that things are slowing. Interest rates dropped from over 2% down into the 1.6s. This was very much on our radar. Now the good news is they bounced back as we had a nice jobs report late in, actually early in May. And so this is good for economic growth and what the future looks like, but it's also a little bit less appealing for mortgage rates because as interest rates go down, mortgage rates go down, and when they start going back up, mortgage rates start going back up. So it's a good thing overall, but a good thing and a bad thing. Secondly, April 15th, right in the middle of the month, is tax season. So I put a chart from the Congressional Budget Office showing that their expectations of future increases in revenue. And broadly, what we saw from everyone, not only from clients, but friends, relatives, and people that we're talking on the street, is everybody generally paid higher tax rates. That's good and bad. Paid higher taxes. That's good and bad. The good news is that generally means we're making a little bit more money. The bad news means that tax rates have gone up a little bit because they're cutting out some of the loopholes. We'd like to see, when you look at the chart embedded in this video with the blog post, we'd like to see those cross. That would mean that we're no longer running a deficit. You can see in the chart that it did happen a while back. And then lastly, we wanted to mention the Boston Marathon. There's a picture in there of that. Our hearts go out and well wishes go out to those that are still recovering. As you guys probably know, Donald and I are both avid joggers, and it's such a positive sport, and we are very sorrowed by those that maybe want to make something so good, so nice. But on that note, we'll see you in May. Gosh, this went by fast. Thank you again for watching, and we've kept this one well under 3 minutes, so we hope you enjoy, and thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye.